everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute review, we have a cheap battery operated vibrating suction cup. Now a lot of you guys have asked me to review this. I have in the past reviewed Monolith's vibrating suction cup, but the price range is a little too high for a lot of people. It runs anywhere from $250 to $300, whereas this runs under $100, includes your vibrating suction cup, battery, and charger. Now, whether you like it or not, large format tiles are here. They're here to stay. A lot of clients are requesting them, contractors, builders, homeowners. So a tool like this makes installing large tiles, your 2 by 2 feet, your 2 by 4 feet, your large porcelain panels a lot easier and quicker to install, and something like this is becoming really popular on the market right now. So again, here it is, under $100. We'll jump right into it, bring the camera up close, show you what's included, and then we will test out this, show you how it works on a large 2 foot by 4 foot glass panel. Here we go. Here it is, includes a hard case. We have our charger, instructions. Here is the unit. We've got our Makita colors. This certainly is not a Makita. Is your suction mechanism, has a handle, locks into place, and you release it here. Whoa. Let's dial that vibration power down a bit. Your trigger's there. Low. High. Feels like it has some good power for sure. But high might be a little too much there. That's a bit hard to hold in the hand. We'll test this out on 2 or 3. That's pretty much it, not much to this unit. Okay, let's demonstrate how this works. Again, on a large piece of glass, and we'll show you how it helps to collapse the ridges for better contact and quicker and easier install on those big tiles. As you can see right here, it does help collapsing these ridges. The power feels a little strange, a little getting used to. Run it on a medium setting. High is just simply too much vibration, but it does work. Let's finish off these ridges here. Well, it does what it says it does. The suction helps with installation of large and heavy tiles, your porcelain panels. It doesn't perform quite as well as the Monolith, but that was obvious. This is a fraction of the price. Again, it helps to speed up the time, make the installation easy. I'll leave a link down there if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.